Hi, in this video I'm going to go through advanced objects that can be created with nuBuilder Forte. Firstly, a checkbox allows a single click input that saves a tick as a 1 and an untick as a 0. A button can activate any type of onclick event using JavaScript. For example, setting a HTML object to display an image. A file type will open a dialog box to add files to the database for others to view and download. An image type allows the selection and displaying of any previously uploaded image file type. And finally, a HTML type can display one of nuBuilder's inbuilt customized Google charts using a JavaScript array, or any custom HTML, for example, a Google map that can be modified to display different locations.
Hey, I was reading that.